The Oppo A95 is the latest smartphone by the Chinese company that arrived in Malaysia. This means you can still buy the phone in India, but it's likely that Oppo will bring the phone to the Indian market soon. The A95 is a toned-down version of its 5G counterpart, and it comes with 4G connectivity only. This new smartphone belongs to the mid-range but such as high refresh rate and 5G connectivity. Hey yo, what is up guys, it's your boy ColorOS back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review the Oppo A95. So anyways guys, before we go into this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it. So anyways guys, let's get into this video. The A-series smartphone in Oppo's portfolio often brings a mix of good specification. The company recently launched the A55 smartphone in India ahead of its duel. The Oppo A95 is a 4G phone much like the A55. However, there might be the difference in however they will perform, because the A95 comes with Qualcomm processor while the A55 uses a MediaTek processor inside. So we'll have to see what happens right there. So the Oppo A95 parts cost $1,000, roughly Rs 19,600. for its only variants with 8GB of RAM and 120GB of internal storage. The phone comes with star black and rainbow silver colors. It will be available in Malaysia for now, though online shopping website, but there is no word on when it will hit the markets in India. The Oppo A95 is a mid-range phone that uses octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 120GB internal memory. You can expand using a microSD card. This processor is good enough for the modest task. The phone runs an Android 11 based ColorOS 11.1, and there is no information about Android 12 update yet. The Oppo A95 features a 6.43-inch Full-HD AMOLED display with a 60 HD refresh rate. Display has an integrated fingerprint sensor, as well as there is a punch hole cutout on the display. Inside it is a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. On the back, the Oppo A95 comes with a triple camera setup that comprises a 48-megapixel sensor, a 2-megapixel bokeh sensor, and a 2-megapixel micro sensor. There is an LED flash accompanying the cameras too. The Oppo A95 is backed by a 5000 mAh battery and support up to 33-watt fast charging. There's a USB-C port to charge your phone, while you'll also find a 3.5mm headphone jack if you're required one. The phone size is at 7.95mm thick and weigh 175 grams. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button down below. Also, please subscribe to the channel and become a part of the ColorOS family. So anyways guys, please leave your thoughts down in the comment section. Let me know if you will get this Oppo A95. It's also a pretty nice phone, only thing that it comes with 4G connectivity and not 5G, and the refresh rate is, you know, low. So that's only the default that I would have with it, but it's a cool phone. Let me know if you guys would get it. So anyways guys, before we go, as we normally said, have no rest until you're the best. It's me, your boy ColorOS. Peace out.